Hello students. So today we are going to start a new topic. The name of the topic is punctuations and capital letters, English grammar, and today I am going to explain this topic to you. So first of all we'll go through what are punctuations and why do we use different punctuations according to different situations. So basically punctuations are a few sign, or we can say symbols used to express whatever we are trying to write, because when we are talking, when we are expressing, when we are communicating, so we can express everything by our words, where I want to give a bit of emphasis, where I am just saying something casually, I can just modulate my voice and I can do it. But whenever you are writing, so how to make your writing portion impressive and expressive also, that's what we can do by punctuations. Okay, so now the first punctuation is a full stop. This is a full stop. We use a full stop at the end of the sentence. It is the longest pause, we can say, and we use it at the end of the sentence. The second one is the comma. This is called a comma. It is the shortest pause. We use it sometimes to separate a few things, and sometimes if we want to give a bit of break, so in that case we use comma. So this is the sign of the comma and this is the sign of a full stop. Okay. Now the next one is the semicolon. Semicolon. So this is a semicolon. A semicolon, you can say, indicates a pause longer than a comma but shorter than a full stop. So this pause is longer than a comma but shorter than the full stop, because full stop is what we use at the end of the sentence and it is the longest pause. With it the sentence completes. So this is the semicolon. Now the colon. This is the sign of a colon. This is the semicolon. This is the colon. So what a colon is? A colon indicates a pause longer than one indicated by a semicolon. It is a longer pause than the semicolon. So both these are a bit you can say confusing, but colon is a longer pause than semicolon. Clear? After that we have interrogation mark. This is an interrogation mark. As you all can see, we use an interrogation mark when we are expressing a question. जब हम किसी question को express कर रहे हैं, at that point we used to express a interrogation mark. Full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, colon, and interrogation mark. After that, we have an exclamatory mark. Exclamation mark. So this is an exclamatory mark. Okay, and it is used with exclamatory words in the exclamatory sentences. Okay, the sentences which expresses a sudden feeling, we use this mark there. Okay. After this we have an apostrophe. So what is an apostrophe? This is an apostrophe. Only a comma on the upper side. That is called an apostrophe. Now what is an apostrophe? An apostrophe followed by S is added to singular nouns. Singular nouns के केस में लगाया जाता है, and it is also used to show possession. Possession यानी that thing belong to me, I possess that. So in that case we use a apostrophe. After that we have inverted commas, like inverted commas. Okay, what are inverted commas? These are inverted commas, starting and ending. So we use inverted commas when we are expressing something said by a person, the words exactly said by that person or the statement of that person. So we use inverted commas to express that particular thing. Okay, so these are all our punctuations we basically use in the whenever we are writing something. Now the use of capital letter. So where do we use something in capital letter? One of the use or one of the like execution, that we use capital letter in the starting of the sentence. Whenever we are starting something, whenever we are starting a sentence, we use a capital letter. Okay. After that we use a capital letter for proper nouns. Whenever we are expressing a proper noun, like I am writing this is a pen of Ram. So Ram, when I'm going to write, so I will use R in capital because it is a capital letter. It is a proper noun. We use the first word as capital when we are naming days, months, etc., etc. Okay, like Sunday, Monday, January, February. We use capital letter when we are using a preposition, conjunction, or an article in the title of a book, like a tale of two cities. So tale, two, and cities. Tale, two, and C of the cities. We use it in the capitals. Okay. Whenever we are talking about any word related with God, we use it in capital letter. And when we are writing the name of a government department or official designation, we use the first letter as capital, like the government of West Bengal. So G must go capital, W and B, all these words will go in capital. So with this, you are now clear that where we have to use the capital letters and where we have to use these punctuations. Now what you have to do is to go through this video and then go through your book, then you will be able to understand it. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. Thank you.